going to be doing a new party. It's a haunted forest party, and it's really cool for Halloween because I got these cool whiskers. I'll show you. Here's some of the clothing, like cat ears, jeez. Some witches grown, book of spells, a Yeti mask, a demon mask, and a Dracula cape. And there's like other stuff too. Ready? Watch, I'll show you. A den, a creepy bone candles, coffin, a ghost tombstone, a skull tombstone, a bat tombstone, a spider tombstone. Oh my god, tombstone. Okay, and like over here, I'm like ghost right there. I'm not ghost, the ghost. And over here, there's like a moon, right? If I watch if I tap on the moon. Well, that doesn't happen. Well, that usually is not true. You could like steal the moon if I tap on it. Now you're supposed to steal that moon. Ooh, I'm gonna jam and follow me. Should I? I'll finish my video first. So, over here is like stupid and stuff. And then over here you could like turn into a ghost. My ghost. And that's the party. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Ow. And here's my username if you want to ever buddy me. Okay, gotta go.